Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Where guys, people are so sad and heartbroken after seeing uNandipha Magudumane court itolo lapha eBloemfontein. So siyati ukuthi uNandipha ngalesikhathi owaqala ku-attenda i-court lisaqala kushisa liqala labo ugeli bekababani bekamuhle ini i-hairstyle oyidlala i-on point, amakeup-ile, lipstick enqa emntaneni amuhle futhi nje badigqokela vele badidlela indwangu siyabadi yena nabesta nje noma bafike ecourt bahlala bafikile badidlela ikoti nje Dr. Nandipha, people even started saying ukuthi ngasuthi i-ambassador ye-Nike because always ugeli bekahlala adidlalele i-Nike nje ubone ukuthi khasiqubo muhle you wouldn't even think ukuthi lo uhlele ejele, you would think ukuthi mhlawumbe ubuye endlini esentini right kani umuntu kuphi osejele. So people were saying ukuthi they don't look like basejele laba, hayi ngazuthi they are still having a good time nje lapha ejele, ngazuthi nje kumnanzi like they don't seem like people abasejele labasafara kulo babona ukuthi mhlambe ba under a lot of stress or bathukile bekamuhle uNandipha. So people were saying ukuthi wena ngibani inhloko guys, ngithi bekenda ngisho ma-ages uDr. Nandipha Magudumane, and guess what, tintshintshile tinto cinisele lisando ukuthi sijikile izinto. So sijikile izinto kuDr. Nandipha, and after people see so her lapha ecourt yesterday, people started saying ukuthi what is happening to uNandipha? She looks sick, she looks old, like she looks tired. So people were saying ukuthi hayibo guys, usase right but health yakhe is it like in good condition cause akabukeki right. So people started being concerned, saying we now feel sorry for uNandipha, ndlela sikabukeka ngakhona she looks thin ngathi njena akusuye. So from the moment sicala kumbona and now wamkhulu umehluko and people are saying ukuthi this is so sad kesana konke lokhu for indoda, konke lokhu for indoda when you just ruined your career for indoda I will never Nandipha So people are saying ukuthi ish uvisana buhlungu, she no longer looks her age, she now looks old, ngathi udzini ukhathele njena, ngazuthi nje nokuba laphana bamane bamdreka bathi asambe, uyambona nje ukuthi ngazuthi ayikho nje into lese excite nje. So people started saying ukuthi but sekuyahawulisa mase kunjena ayisekubuhlungu indlela lesimanga. Some were saying ukuthi umuntu uvuna lakutshalile. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.